This video clip should prove to you that I entered the trade, and even at the end of this video, I'm going to post the outcome of the trade, which is obviously a loss, and it's going to verify to you that I didn't re-enter again. So as you can see here, I was trying to adjust the stop loss to know where and how I'm going to enter it into my how I'm going to enter the stop loss into my MT4. So relax and watch the video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to episode 2 of my Unlocking Trading Mastery. Now before we dive deep into the video, I would want to clearly state my goal and my intention for making these episodes. Now my goal is simply to assist those who are struggling to overcoming bad trading habits, and as well also assisting myself to overcoming bad trading habits. So that is my goal. So which means that if anybody is willing to overcome bad trading habits such as overtrading, which is what I'm going to be focusing on this video, FOMO, um, bad risk management, and all that, if you are struggling with that, I think this is the video for you. And in this journey, I shall be touching on all those various aspects and how I am going to be trying to overcome those bad trading habits. So that is the goal of this episode. So if that is what you like to see, and that is what you want to see an improvement in your trading, I think you should stick with me in these episodes by clicking the like button and subscribing. So let us go. Like I used to do, the first thing I do when I jump into the chart is to look for my primary trade criteria. And you see this trade here, I'm going to tell you what. You see this trade here, when I jumped at the chart at about 8 o'clock, and when I come to the chart 8 o'clock Nigerian time, I saw that it was already there was already a bullish movement to the upside. So that gave me a sense that I'm going to see a trading opportunity today. So one of the criteria in my checklist has been clicked, which is initiation. If this is a very strong initiation. Let me show you. This is a very strong initiation. So one of them, it has been clicked, and after I seen that initiation, I saw momentum loss. Another item clicked. Then I saw liquidity grab during my section. I saw liquidity grab around this area. My aim is not to show you my strategy, but just to tell you what I do on a daily basis to overcome bad trading habits. So in this area, I saw some kind of liquidity grab. I know what I need to see. So then supply and demand and liquidity to grab. So when I saw that liquidity grab, I think in this current market situation, my criteria have been met. Whether I see liquidity to grab or not, my current um this current market has already fulfilled what I'm seeing in this current market has already fulfilled my trade criteria. So what is left for me now is just to look for an opportunity to enter. So I jump to the 1 minute time frame. I jump to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame. So in the 1 minute time frame, upon seeing this upward movement, you see, let me use this. upon seeing this upward movement, I knew that I was going to get a trade in this section. I knew I was going to get a trade in this section. So this movement came and it dropped back. So at this point when it was coming up here, at this point where the cursor is now, that was where I entered the trade. I entered the trade because I've already seen my trade criteria. If I had known that this thing would come, these candles that were printing here further 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 verified my entry criteria. These candles that were printing further verified my entry criteria. So if I had entered here where these candles were printing, hopefully I would have had my stop loss far more above. My stop loss would have been 5 pips, which is my stop loss would have been 5 pips, which is around this area. Good. 5 pips, 5.0. Or level even 4.8 even 4.8, which is around this area, and I wouldn't have been stopped out. The trade would have gone my direction. I would not have been stopped out. But you see, I entered at this point, of course, which I'm happy because it fit my trading criteria. But unfortunately, I was stopped out. Unfortunately, I was stopped out of this trade just by a pip. I was stopped out of this trade just by a pip. You see, when I was stopped out, that feeling of anger, anxiety, it stepped in. But because I am trying to fight over trading, I decided to lie low. My initial self was that my initial way of trading is, as I was stopped out and I saw my trading criteria, I would enter immediately at this point. I would enter immediately at that point that I showed you. Let me go back to that place. I would enter immediately. And in fact, I almost re-entered this trade. I went immediately and put my stops above that place. And you can see it would have come my way because this is where I would have taken profit. I would have taken profit at this point, 5%. You see, 5%. Of course, it would have gone my way before this bullish move. So, but because I am trying to fight over trading, for me, re-entering again is bringing over trading into my trading. I don't know if you're getting me. Re-entering this trade again, despite it has taken me out, is bringing over trading into my trading. So, because I am trying to overcome over trading, I decided not to enter the trade again. Trust me, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. But I just had to let the trade go. It took me out by just 1 pip, but I just had to let the trade go. I'm going to show you that I took this trade and the loss I made in this trade. I took the trade and I made a loss. And the funniest thing, I was quite, the first time in let me say 6 months, 7 months in my trading history that I was happy with losing a trade and not re-entering again. The first time I put it down in my trading journal. The first time. So I hope to continue this way in order to track and overcome this bad trading habit, which is called over trading. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you